We're going fishing. It may rain us out, but we're gonna try. Woohoo! We ready to go fishing?
Man.
We ready to get wet?
Oop, I know. I think it's gonna rain.
Here is our spot. Okay, so what did you do with the weenies?
Homemade bait. So you take weenies, you cut them up, you get your favorite gelatin, Jello, and you sprinkle it. Sorry, I was thinking I was getting a bite.
I know.
Sprinkle it in there, add some garlic, make it as nasty as you can make it. But what happens is the weenies get kind of rubbery, so they stay on your hook better, so they just don't fly off. So they won't really be done until probably tomorrow, but we got them.
Got them started.
Yep.
Good deal. Okay, so far we haven't even gotten a nibble, and the sun's starting to come up bright, so our odds are getting even less. We were visited by Fish and Game this time. First time that's happened to us in New Mexico. Fortunately, we both have license, but guess who couldn't find hers? The guy was really nice. We were able to, there's no signal here for me to be able to call it up online. I had a screenshot. I guess I offloaded it to my computer. So when we get back, he was very kind. Since Jana had hers, and since he knows where we're staying here in the state park campground, he let me go and said I could even continue fishing. I offered to get out of the water, go back and provide whatever he needed, and he was like, no, just enjoy your day, get your license on your person. And so we're gonna make sure that Jana has a copy of my license on her phone too. I don't know what to tell y'all. Sometimes I think you know, maybe I'm just stupid. Maybe it's not just a brain injury. I don't know, you guys. But it sure is a beautiful day to be stupid.